Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another Proto Tech Tip. Now today we're going to step away from our usual tutorial to share some really exciting news. We're introducing two incredible updates. Curious to know what they are? Well, let's just dive in. So nearly 25 years ago, our founders faced a challenge familiar to many engineers: sourcing custom parts for prototypes. The biggest hurdles? Long lead times from job shops, which really negatively impacted our founders' velocity. So to solve this, they launched Protocase. They came up with an approach called High Velocity Mass Customization, HVMC for short. We began manufacturing fully finished custom electronic enclosures in just 2 to 3 days with no minimum order requirements, making it possible for customers to order even a single custom part in super fast lead times. Initially, our focus was on manufacturing custom electronic enclosures, panels, and brackets for prototypes. However, as we grew and as our customer base expanded, we discovered even more challenges that our customers needed help solving, and we were ready to meet those needs. So to meet growing demands, we started rolling out innovative features designed to enhance your experience. In 2006, we launched Protospace Designer, a design software that empowers anyone to create a custom enclosure in just minutes. After all, at its core, the HVMC experience is all about simplifying the whole design process for you, our valued customer. Then a significant milestone in our journey was the introduction of CNC machining to our range of capabilities. We recognized that that same HVMC principle that drives our success in sheet metal fabrication could seamlessly apply to machining as well. And as demand for ultra-precise parts grew over time, expanding into machining became a natural and really a necessary step for us. So speaking of ultra-precision, a lot of our customers are in aerospace, and for them, some priorities were different. Recognizing this need, we launched Protospace MFG in 2023 to expand and elevate our capabilities, specifically tailored to meet the demands of the space sector. And now we're excited to announce new updates for Protocase Designer, CNC Machining, and Protospace MFG, bringing even more innovation and efficiency to our offerings. The first update is the introduction of Protospace Designer. That's right, we're bringing Protocase Designer experience to our aerospace customers. We make it easier for aerospace engineers by offering customizable templates for avionics and controls enclosures, panels, and as well as mounting and support brackets. When you begin a new file on Protospace Designer, these options will appear as shown here. With this software, engineers and innovators in the aerospace industry can accelerate project cycles with our integrated AS9100 compliant design and manufacturing solution. And the second update introduces a powerful new feature to both Protocase Designer and Protospace Designer, and that is the ability to design machined parts. And best of all, the process is just as straightforward and simple as designing sheet metal parts. There are many powerful CAD programs out there for designing machined parts, but here's the catch. They're often complex to learn, have costly licensing fees, and still force you to export your design file and wait on a vendor to quote. Our software changes the game. With its clean interface and instant DFM feedback, you can create exactly what you need and get an instant quote seamlessly all in one platform. That means faster designs, quicker turnaround, and projects that will never lose momentum. We are going to have multiple Proto Tech tips lined up in the upcoming weeks to take you through these updates, so keep an eye out for them. We've also dropped download links to both Protocase Designer and Protospace Designer down below. Using either of the software, you can design and order custom parts, brackets, enclosures, or panels in just minutes. And once you've got the order finalized, harnessing the power of HVMC, we can custom manufacture your parts and enclosures in as fast as 2 to 3 days. And that's all I have for this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope you enjoyed these new exciting updates. If you have any questions at all, get in touch by sending an email to either info@protocasedesigner.com or info@protospacedesigner.com. Until next time, take care.